Meet Arka, your terminal, upgraded. Arka routes plain English to 70+ local skills, deterministic offline routing, voice input, and multi-provider LLM failover from your terminal. Built for the OpenAI Build Week developer tools track, where we iterated with Codex to harden routing rules and ship a production-ready CLI. Getting started takes seconds. Pip's install Arka agent with the chat extra pulls the full bundle from pipx isolated, easy to upgrade. Then Arka setup configures your vend, chat dependencies, and optional context 7 MCP for library docs in Cursor or VS Code. Run Arka Doctor to verify everything: platform, skills bundle, LLM providers, and MCP config. You see what's ready before your first command: vend status, bundled skills, provider failover, and MCP health. No guesswork, no silent misconfiguration. Now the magic: natural language routing. Type Arka route time in Tokyo. Arka resolves timezone_convert instantly, no LLM tokens burned. Run it directly and you get JST. Offline pattern matching handles time zones, conversions, reminders, and dozens of other intents in milliseconds. Try Arka route. What is Rust? Same pipeline, skill match, kind skill, source offline. Deterministic routing means predictable behavior in CI and scripts. When reasoning is needed, Arka escalates automatically. For open-ended questions, Arka asks what is Rust, hits the LLM failover chain GPT 5.6 Codex class models via OpenRouter, and returns a concise, accurate answer. If one provider is down or rate limited, the next kicks in without config changes. For coding, launch Arka Coding 2A agentic development in the terminal. Plan tasks, edit files, run commands, with assembly AI voice input built in. Commands like plan and execute keep you in flow without leaving the terminal. Arka ships as an MCP server with 70+ tools. Arka MCP Doctor verifies routing, memory, GitHub, Docker, calendar, and more, ready for Cursor, Claude Code, and VS Code. Connect once in mcp.json, every tool is namespaced, typed, and discoverable. Under the hood, 120+ routing rules, security gates on by default, and extensible skill plugins via skill.json. Local first architecture with 24 provider LLM failover. Your API keys stay on your machine, permission prompts, gate file writes, shell commands, and network calls before anything runs. Explore with Arka capabilities, a deterministic skills summary, no AI routing needed. Install, pips install Arka agent with the chat extra. Docs at arkaagent.mindlify.site. GitHub, Summit 884 byte/Arka. Arka, your terminal, upgraded.